The Pliage. It's an iconic bag and we need to talk about it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover, and above all a Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I've got 5 minutes to make you know everything you have to know about Le Pliage. So, Le Pliage bag is an iconic bag as well as Kelly and Birkin from Hermès. It's the biggest success of the French leather goods brand Longchamp. It was created in 1993 by Philippe Cassegrain, the Longchamp president at that time. Where does come the idea of Le Pliage? Le Pliage comes from a travel to Japan. It's inspired by origami art. The word pliage means in French the way art of folding and unfolding something. And as you can see, this bag is easy and practical. It's soon a worldwide success because it's resistant and lightweight. The nylon is extremely high quality and you can fold and unfold it anytime. The pliage got 2 handles in Russian leather, as well as a flap with a button pressure and a zip closure. The Russian leather is the signature leather of Le Pliage. It's an embossed cowhide leather, super soft and super resistant too. So the bag is perfect for everyday use. So it's clearly a worldwide success. It's the most sold bag in the world. In 2014, more than 30 million were sold. So you can imagine now in 2022 how much pliage bag have been sold. The bag is declined in several sizes. Here you can see a S size, but there's also M size. Let me show it to you. The bigger one. The bags come also with long and short handles. There is also S, L model and XL for travel bags. It's also declined in coin purses like this one or cosmetic pouch. This is the new model with the handle and this is the oldest model. There's also an handle but not as practical as this one. Each year Longchamp is adding new colors to the classic one and also seasonal model. A lot of collaboration with artists were made. Just to give you some idea, Jeremy Scott began in 2006 and it worked with the company Longchamp for 12 years. In 2018 it was the designer Shane Oliver. In 2020 it was with Pokémon, but just to mention some, there was also Marie Catranzou, Sarah Morris and Tracy Emin. Since 2003, you can also personalize your pliage through the internet website of Longchamp. The leather version of Le Pliage is created with metis leather. Please have a look at my previous video, I've dedicated a whole video about it. Several lines are available, like Original, Collection, Voyage, LGP, Energy. Longchamp even created the Pliage Green line using recycled material. And since 2022, the line Replay, let me show you my shoulder bag, is created with the very end of the nylon stocks to not waste anything. The results are stunning. Now Longchamp even realized his dream. The whole offer of a pliage bag are made with recycled materials. Pliage bag can be cleaned. I have done a whole review about this, so check my previous video to know how to care and clean your Longchamp bag. So please do not forget, next time you buy a pliage bag, always you remember you are buying a real monument treasure of the French leather goods industry. And it's also the best example of a French know-how and l'élégance à la française. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like this video. Comment in the section below if you have question or remark. I will be more than happy to help you. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. It's free. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. À bientôt.